Hi, I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater, standing today on a fresh trade-in. It is a 2013 Key West 1720 Sportsman. Beautiful boat for the Tampa Bay area. We're sitting on a aluminum trailer with a swing tongue. Guys, if you are someone wanting to keep a boat in a garage, this boat would serve that purpose well. We are very comfortable seating for 4 here. Let's start here in the bow of the boat. I'll give you guys a good walkthrough of this boat. We're gonna have an anchor locker here with a spot for the anchor rod to come off to the cleat. A nice positive close there. I would really rate the upholstery for a 2013 9 out of 10. I mean, we're not looking at any cuts, cracks. The upholstery's in great shape. You know, MarineMax service department has gone through this boat and fully serviced the engine, done a full detail on it. I want to show you guys the forward locker here. So finished liner, finished hatches, good amount of storage. You know, for any safety equipment or bags or any gear you need. This hatch also locks. And again, this cushion removes. So if we wanted to turn this into a seat, you know, we got a grab handle right here. Console, great use of space for a 17-footer. Another storage space here. This would be great as a built-in cooler. You know, any other gear you need. We got vertical rod holders. Moving back here to the center console. Good stainless steel grab handle. And again, guys, we're looking at a premium boat here that is you know, getting close to, you know, 8 years old or so, and very little wear. You don't see any pitting or rusting on the stainless. Let's talk about gauge configuration. You got your RPMs. You got all your switching right here, very easy to have access to. We got a head unit here for some audio, and then another good storage compartment with your battery access and battery switch here. Yamaha 70 4-stroke powers this boat with a stainless steel prop. Very low hours, around 200. Lots of room in the cockpit of this boat here. The helm seat, I'd like to point out, will switch to aft facing. And then this bimini deploys beautifully to give you full shade throughout the cockpit. The helm seat is also a Igloo 72 quart cooler. So again, another built-in cooler, or using it for dry storage if you needed some extra room. Finish off here in the back, we got another couple storage compartments, built-in live well here. And then more storage on this side with access to your fuel water separator. Again, low hours, 200 hours approximate on this 70 Yamaha. A fresh detail. We got stainless steel rod holders on the back and good access to board when you're out swimming in the water with the dive ladder on the back. So again, Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. It is September 22nd. Hopefully you're watching this video soon after we posted it, because this boat will not last long. Come see us on Highway 19 in Clearwater to make this one yours.